Hey, what up? I'm gonna be testing my fire alarm today. So let's just go ahead and start the test. There we go. As you see, system's in test mode, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, 3, 2, 1. Unlock that first. All right. Zone 2 has been tested. Zone 2 is full stations. Let's go ahead and test the one over here. All right. Hallway detector. That one I just did was the smoke detector in the hallway. Now let's do this one. My bedroom. There we go. This bedroom. Come on, where is it? There we go. Oop, that didn't work. There we go. Yeah. Let's go ahead and test the detector in the other room. I'm going to go ahead and test this detector over here. And finally, the last one. That was my door alarm. This detector up here. Come on. All right. So let's just go ahead and reset the panel. Thanks for watching.